The next thing on assessment is scheme of assessment. So if you remember very well when you were in high school, so usually you have two papers, exam papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, so the same applies here. So now one day you are going to also set exam for your learners. Okay, either external examination or internal examination in your school, it depends. So but you should know how to set exam papers. So in your syllabus is indicated clearly how to compile up an exam paper. So meaning that paper 1, it says that it should be out of 2 hours 30 minutes, it should be 80% marks, and then it must be weighting 50% to pass. So what is supposed to be in that paper 1? So it says that at least you should have learners should be required to answer all the questions in both sections. Section 1, you should have short answers question out of 40 marks. Questions in this section will be assessed by assessment objective A. Okay, when we say assessment objective A, what do we mean? We go back here. So meaning that assessment objective A, it means knowledge with understanding. So meaning that when you set your question, exam question paper, so you look, when you develop paper 1, make sure that section 1 covers the short question, which will assess the assessment objective A that is listed there to test learners understanding, knowledge with understanding. And then it goes on with section B. So learner will be asked to answer long questions which will require interpretations and analysis of real economy situations. So that's why they say this one must cover objective what? B and C from the assessment. Okay, remember the objective that we are referring to, B and C. Application and analysis and evaluation and decision, because this one you already cover in section 1, so this is what you're supposed to cover in section 2. All right, so paper 2, it goes on again. Paper 2 is only 2 hours, it should be out of 80, and it must also weigh 50%. Then a paper containing structured question which will be presented for interpretation and analysis. Remember the last, so it indicates to you that question in this paper will seek to cover the assessment objective A, B, C again, almost the same as in paper 1. All right, but now they indicate how are you supposed to develop or to structure this question paper. So section 1 should have structured question 20 marks, which will include drawings, and it must also include interpretation of diagrams. In section B, each learner will be required to answer 3 structured essay questions, and so on like that. So the syllabus clearly show you how to set your exam question papers and what type of question you must supposed to use and to set for each and every section.